Visual inspection removes damaged or unsuitable garlic bulbs. Automated peelers remove the outer skin efficiently. Washing removes surface dirt and remaining impurities. A final rinse prepares the garlic for crushing. Even feeding ensures consistent crushing results. Fibers enter washing tanks to remove sap and fine residues. Temperature is monitored continuously for consistency.
Texture and color are visually inspected.
Any off-spec material is removed from the line. The paste is transferred hygienically to the filling line.
Clean jars are prepared for filling.
Automated fillers dispense precise amounts of garlic paste.
Fill levels are checked for consistency. Jars are sealed to protect freshness.
Exterior cleaning removes residue from jars.
Warm air dries the jar surfaces quickly.
Final inspection confirms product quality.
Packaging materials are staged for loading. Finished jars are placed into cartons for distribution.
Cartons are sealed to protect products during transport.
Identification labels are applied for traceability.
Weight checks confirm correct packing quantities.
Any off-weight cartons are automatically diverted. Pallets are staged for efficient stacking. Automated palletizers stack cartons in stable patterns.
Alignment ensures load stability during transport.
Stretch wrapping secures cartons to the pallet.
Stability checks confirm safe handling readiness.
Pallets are transferred to controlled storage areas. Storage placement maintains inventory organization.
Inventory data is logged for distribution planning.
Orders are staged for outbound shipment.
Documentation completes the production cycle. Equipment is prepared for sanitation. Sanitation maintains hygiene standards for the next run.
Drying prepares equipment for future production. The finished product is ready for distribution.
The manufacturing cycle completes in a clean, controlled environment.
Fresh garlic bulbs arrive at the facility and are logged for processing.